Place is a mess. Somebody should really do something about it. So I want a tool cart for when I'm working on the cars in the driveway. Since my shop is so far from the driveway, I like to load everything up on a cart, just wheel it out to the driveway, work on something. I got everything there, and as I'm working on something, I just put stuff on the cart. And so there's really not one out in the market that I know that really fits my needs. So I was going to make one, sort of like how I built my tool bench here. I don't know if you can see. It's covered in crap. It's loaded up with crap, but it's just made it out of a sheet of chipboard. And it's on rollers, although it's loaded down like a mofo now. So I can just roll it around. So I wanted something like this, but only smaller. So Harbor Tool and Freight to the rescue. In Harbor Tool and Freight, I found the 16 by 30 tri-shelf steel service cart that looks about to fit my need. So let's open this thing up and put it together. And yeah, I got a little bit of space on the floor here if I sweep up. I'm not sweeping. Let's take this outside. It's a nice day. We'll do it right outside in the yard here. Story of my life. I've got the correct amount of bolts, 3 extra washers, and 1 nut short. I'm always missing a nut. Go right in there. Let's see what I can find in the mystery drawer of nuts. Let's see, small nuts and bolts. I think this will do. Alright, well the problem I'm having is the wheels are a little bit too small. They're great for in a city concrete paved driveway, nice clean garage type scenario. But I'm country. I'm dirt road and gravel driveway, marrying your sister country. And I'm just kidding. We don't marry our sisters out here. Why buy the cow when you get the milk for free? Anyhow, I need bigger wheels. If off-road taught me anything, is bigger wheels. I want to put some 37s on that puppy. So let me see what I got. Alright, came up with this. An old Yardman lawnmower wheel. It's 10 inches. I'm going to bolt this to that thing. And then I'll be able to wheel it from here to the driveway and back without any problems. Alright, let's redneckify this cart. There you have it. Managed to redneckify Harbor Tool and Freight Chinese tool cart to fit my needs, and the wider wheelbase makes it a little bit more stable. So now I can wheel my tools in and out. It's nice to just put all the tools I'm going to need on here and just wheel it out at once instead of trying to carry a big heavy toolbox out there and then the drills and everything. I can just keep this stocked with all my regular stuff that I use all the time. And I just, when I need to head out to the driveway, just wheel it out. Or if I need to do something out here, just wheel it out here or just leave it in the shop. We'll see how it goes. I'm running out of room fast in there. Might have to build a bigger shop. Alright, if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up. If you don't like what you see, hit the thumbs down. I know you're not going to do that because you're cool. Want to get some time to kill? Check out this video. I really like this one. This one, I like them both, so you click on them both and you tell me which one you like better. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell thing so I can annoy you at 2 in the morning when all this awesome content is available. All right, Nikki G out. Everybody does that. I just have a hard time. I can't figure out how to do it.